Hi children, welcome back to the lesson fiber to fabric. In fiber to fabric, we already discussed about the cotton fabric. Now it is the turn to learn about other natural plant fibers. So what it include cotton, flax, jute, coconut fibers, right? So now we completed the cotton fiber. Now the next turn is flax fiber. Next one is flax fiber. So here flax fiber, why it is called flax fiber, why that one is called cotton fiber, because we got it from cotton plant, like that. Here flax fiber we get it from flax plant, right? So from the flax plant we get the fiber called flax or flax fiber, and it is also called as linen. Have you listened this word, linen cloth? Linen cloth. So linen fiber is also called as flax fiber, which is obtained from the flax plant. Okay, so here from the stem of the flax plant, we get flax. Actually the fiber, it is obtained from the stem of the flax plant. And here remember one thing, we use this flax fiber, linen fiber, for preparation of clothes. For the preparation of fabric we utilize flax fiber. Here, the cloth made up of stem fiber of the flax is called as linen cloth. What it is called? Linen cloth or linen fabric. Here, linen fabric or linen fiber is utilized for the making of bed sheets, shirts, etc. And thus, in addition to cotton plant, flax plant also cultivated to obtain the fiber called linen, and linen fiber is very soft when compared to cotton fiber, and it is just what expensive than the normal cotton cloth, right? So however, by using flax plant also we could able to obtain the fiber from the stem. When you from the stem we will get the cloth or fabric called linen fabric, which is very expensive and very soft, and we use it to prepare the fabric like bed sheets and shirts, etc. Right? Have you understood about the flax fiber, which is obtained from the stem of the flax plant, right? So this is about the natural fiber, that is flax. And next, let us see another natural plant fiber, that is nothing but jute fiber. Jute fiber is also called as golden fiber. It is also called as golden fiber. Why it is called golden fiber? Because it appears in gold color. We know that cotton is called white gold, whereas the golden fiber is jute fiber. Here, jute fiber is called as patsan. It is called as patsan in Hindi. In Hindi, it is called as patsan. So, patsan fiber is used in preparation of many ropes, right? Here cotton fiber is very strong, it is very strong. And here in India, the states like West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, they grow what you call these jute plants during the rainy season. So let us see how do we obtain the jute fiber, this golden fiber, from the jute plant, from the patsan, right? So here simply, first they cultivate the jute fiber during the rainy season. Now these are the jute crop, and whenever they're ready to give flowers, at this flowering time they are going to harvest the crop. The farmer harvests the crop. Now means before flowering, at the flowering stage they harvest the crop, and now they separate the stems. These stems which are harvested, they will be soaked in the water for few days, approximately 2-3 weeks. So when they when they soak these stems in the water for 2-3 weeks, then guess what happens? Here, whatever the jute that is present around the stem, it become loosen, and as well as the stem, it is going to rot. The stem gets the rot, but here the fiber remains as it is, so that we can easily remove the fiber, jute fiber, from the stem of the jute plant. Right now, the jute plant, from the jute plant stem, we could take out the fiber, and this fiber is very strong, so that we are unable to prepare the cloths, means fabric like cloths and bed sheets, we are unable to prepare with the jute. Why? Because it is somewhat rough and strong, so that the jute fiber is used to prepare the gunny bags or jute bags, or otherwise some some sheets, some carpets are made up of jute. Right? So here jute rope is used everywhere in packing the materials, or tying something. We use jute ropes, पता है आपको. Right? So these jute fiber can be used in many purposes in our daily life. So like this, we can get the jute from the jute plant. So here we discussed about cotton fiber from the cotton plant, flax fiber from the flax plant, and jute fiber from the jute plant, and it is called golden fiber. Have you understood, Nana? Right. And next, there is one more fiber is there. There is one more fiber. There is one more fiber which is called as coconut fiber. We call it as coconut fiber. Actually, the jute fiber, it is used as the bags to store the grains such as rice or wheat or otherwise jowar can be stored in gunny bags. I think you have seen that, right? So in gunny bags we can store them. Right. Now here the next one is the coconut fiber. The next one is coconut fiber. Here coconut fiber, we get coconut fiber from the coconut plant, we know very well, and that to coconut fruit. Here on the coconut fruit this is the coconut seed, and inside there is fiber. In the coconut fruit there is fiber. Right? Now this is the upper layer of the coconut seed. While you are offering the nariyal to the god, then we are going to remove the coconut coir. It is called as coir, coconut core. Right? See, this coconut coir is removed with the help of a needle, or otherwise with the help of any sharp object. We could loosen the fiber. Right? So this fiber is called as coir, and this coir is used as coconut fiber. That is used as coconut fiber, and we know very well that this coconut fiber coir is used to prepare the mats, door mats or mats, or otherwise we could also use to prepare the ropes. The strong rope can be prepared by the coconut coir. Remember this thing, right? And as well as even coconut leaves also utilized to prepare the mats or doors, or for the covering of the walls. Right? So coconut coir is the fiber which is obtained from coconut plant. It is utilized for the preparation of ropes and doormats and mats. Right? And it is strongest fiber, plant fiber. Among the plant fiber, this is the stronger one. Right? And as well as this coir is also used for the preparation of paper. So the plant products is also used for the preparation of papers. Right? So remember these things. These are all natural fibers. That too we get it from plants only, not animals. We get them from the plants, right? What are those fiber? Cotton fiber, jute fiber, flax fiber, and coconut fiber. These are the natural fibers that we are getting. And in the further session we are going to learn how to make the fabric from this fiber. We learnt up to the fiber level only, how to get the fiber. We'll learn more about how to prepare the cloths in further session. So children, I hope you understood today's class, and we'll meet in the next class. Thank you now.